Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove pin from your Windows 11 PC. Now to do this on your Windows 11, just simply right click on the Windows icon and go to settings. On the settings guys, you want to go ahead and click on accounts on the left hand side. Then you want to scroll down and simply click on sign in options. Under the sign in options, you will see ways to sign in. Go ahead and click on pin. Now you will see that it shows that you can change your pin or you can remove it. If yours is grayed out like mine, the way how to do this is to simply go back or click on the account at the top here, and you want to scroll down a bit. This time you select your info and you want to scroll down again. Here under the account setting, you will see an option that says sign in with a local account instead. You want to click on this guys and go ahead and click on next. Now here you will need to enter that pin that you want to change. I'm going to go ahead and enter that, and you will see that it now gives you the option to create a new pin. Now, what you want to do, go ahead and create your new pin, confirm it, and even put a hint. It's really up to you. Then go ahead and click next. You'll be signed out and you'll sign in with that local account. And once that local account is now signed in on your PC, all you have to do really is just go back to the sign in options and you will click on pin again, and it will now make this pin option available for removal. So all you'll know, and from here, you will now have the option to remove the pin, and you just simply click on remove and remove the pin from your PC. That's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So go ahead and try that, and you'll be able to remove your pin without no issues whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.